Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are still in a major outage of Rogers in Canada, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. So a little bit of update on some of the things that we know. We don't know what caused it. Rogers is very quiet on why it's not working. But we know that it started around 5 a.m. this morning, and it kind of spread across Canada over the next few hours. The first companies to notice and start alerting everybody, and services also, were around 6, 7, 8 a.m. this morning. Now, we're almost 12 hours into this thing, which is pretty crazy when you think about it. Here, I want to rant at something that is definitely one of the major problems, is how big and powerful these companies are and how they really manage too many things. And now we see that, 911 emergency services in some areas are not working. ATMs are not working if you try to use Interact transfers or Interact for getting money from another bank. Tons of municipal and government services are not working, including some at airports because of this. Big companies not having 800 service working because it's Rogers that provides it. I mean, the scope of importance of this is so huge that I think it should make us reassess how big a company can be and how much of a network and service it can actually give us without having the possibility of a major disaster. Think of 911 not working. How that could make a difference between somebody today, dying because the access isn't there. I don't know. This is crazy, and I just am amazed at the amount of problems that this is causing everywhere. I think we need to rethink how these companies can actually control so much, when in reality it would be much better to have a lot more choices, and if one fails, you got the other. I'm lucky because I don't have my eggs in one basket. Yes, my smartphone's internet and my smartphone's connection to the network still doesn't work as of this video. But at least I got internet because my internet connection is from another company. I'm using Videotron here in Quebec. So it's crazy because, if I had all of everything with Rogers, for example, because, they push you into all one package with all the services. Nothing works. And I'm sure there's a lot of people that have nothing working today and are just wondering. And, it's like a power outage. Nothing works. It's become that so important, the internet and all of these services, that it's become as visible and important when you see, as a power outage that basically you have nothing you can do almost. I think we need to rethink this. A lot of you in the comments sections are a little mad at Rogers. Mistakes happen. But I think the problem here is showing us how a mistake or maybe bad code, maybe a bad update causes so much problems. And I think, there is a cause to think about these mergers when these big companies want to get other companies. Maybe we should rethink that. I think it's not necessarily a good idea. And the more, the better, probably. So the outage still continuing. Rogers' last update on their Twitter feed simply states that they're making progress and that they're working hard to establish the service again, but they're being very quiet on what happens. I'm going to be very, very curious to see what was the problem, what actually caused this outage to happen today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.